She's a 4-time world champion in Rugby Sevens, Rugby 15s and Rugby League. She went by the moniker Honey Bill for a while and went on to become one of our best rugby and rugby league commentators. Brought up in Putāruru by her grandparents and her parents with a deep connection to her marae, as well as a connection with her great-grandparents and wider whānau. It wasn't always an easy life, a life of trauma and loss, but she built resilience both on and off the field to become one of our greatest sports people. This is her story. This is Honey, Hireme-Smiler on Indigenous 100.